Hi, my name's Joe Bartolomeo. I'm an injury lawyer. I have offices in Astoria and Beaverton. And on today's video, I want to talk about a question that I get very often. If somebody comes in to see me and they have an injury claim, one of the questions they may ask is, what is my claim worth? That's a very good question to ask, but it's not a very easy question to answer. So let me give you a couple of ideas of why we encounter that issue in our everyday work. First thing I think we need to establish is that the insurance companies who evaluate these claims look at the value of a claim in a much different way. To them, it's an everyday business activity, and they're very impersonal about the way they value a claim. Some people will tell me the insurance company doesn't care, and in a way they're correct. Insurance companies sometimes use computer programs to evaluate the settlement value of a claim. They will put in diagnostic codes, they will enter billing codes, they might consider your age, they might consider your medical history, they might consider the amount of your medical bills. But after that, they're really not going to consider the real life impact your injury has on you. Then after they input that data, they get a result. It's usually a range of settlement values between a low and a high figure, and they really don't deviate from that range very often. Somebody who's been injured in an accident or a collision is going to look more at the real life impact of their injury. They're going to look at how it has affected their family life, their recreational activities. They're going to look at the long term and consider things maybe that they've had to give up because of their injuries. So let me give you a couple of factors, I think is a good word, on what we consider when we try to establish a value on a claim. We'll look at the significance of the injury, obviously, how badly you were injured. We will consider whether or not you made a full recovery from your injury. And if you did not, we will try to figure out how much less than a full recovery you made. We will also look at how your life has changed from the day you were injured. And we'll also consider really just the real life impact it has had on you. In some cases, depending upon the severity of your injury, you may require future care, and so we'll have to take a look at that as well. But really, every case is different, every person is different, so we really try to take an individualized look at each case to figure out its value, and obviously we want your input as well. So that's just a few thoughts on what my case is worth, the question that I seem to get quite often because it is a good question. Now, if you're looking at this video, you probably have a case or a claim, or you may know somebody who does. And if you have other questions, call us at 503-325-8600. We have over 20 years of experience helping people with claims just like this, and we're happy to answer your questions and help you know where you stand with your case. Thanks for watching.